All right, so we'll start in Nyland in our communal residence hall series. So a communal hall just means that you share the bathroom with other people living on your floor rather than having an individual bathroom for you and a few other people. So I'll show you the room. All right, so as you can see, this room is pretty spacious. There's a dresser, wardrobe, desk for each student. There's another wardrobe in that corner there. And then obviously both students get a bed as well. Yeah, so this is what a room will look like in Nyland when you come and move in. This is what's provided, and I'll show you a quick glimpse of the bathroom right down the hall. All right, so this is a Nyland bathroom. You'll see there's one shower here, and then through this way, a bunch of sinks and just some long, large mirrors. And through here are some more showers and some additional bathroom stalls. Yeah, so a nice bathroom here in Nyland, and that's what makes a communal building. Communal is that shared bathroom element, and each residence hall also has a laundry room in the building as well. So that's Nyland. Ferrin is another communal residence hall on campus. I'm going to give you a quick tour of what a bedroom in Ferrin looks like, so come follow me. So as you can see, every bedroom in Ferrin has these just large, beautiful windows. In this bedroom, we get to overlook the Ferrin Field, which is one beautiful part of campus. So if you choose to live in Ferrin, you get to have these lovely windows in your room every day. So each roommate in a Ferrin bedroom has their own bed and then set of drawers. In this room, the drawers are under the bed. And there's also a desk and wardrobe with some more drawers for each student. And one thing to point out is that the floors are hard flooring, so it could be a great idea to bring your own rug to make the space a bit more your own and a bit cozier. And one final thing I'll point out is that Ferrin has communal lounges on every floor of the building, so that's just another great element that makes the building the way it is.
All right, now I'm going to show you a Wilson dorm. So Wilson Hall is exactly the same layout as Evans Hall. The only difference is going to be the view since they're in slightly different areas. Evans and Wilson are both known for their storage. They have a ton of storage space. You've got 3 shelves right here, then you have another shelf over the bed, and then each roommate also gets a wardrobe, which has tons of space. As you can see, there's a bar right here to hang your clothes, and then we got lots of drawers, even more shelving space. Another plus of Evans and Wilson is all the communal spaces. So in the basement, you have a communal kitchen and laundry room. And then in the lobby on the first floor, you have just communal kind of living room area. And then a floor above that, you also have communal lounge. So it's got a lot going for it. Thanks for joining us.